Ready? Go ahead, Lily. Go down.
Catch me.
I can't catch you. I'm going to videotape you. You can do it. Boom!
Actually, the slide is too hot.
The slide is too hot.
Yeah.
It's not too hot. Sit down.
It just shocks me.
Yeah.
So
Good girl.
I'm going on.
Come on down. You can do it. Yay! Say yay!
Yay!
Say ta-da!
I said yay.
I know.
She didn't say ta-da. Yeah. Can you push me?
Why don't you try doing it yourself? You're almost 4. See? Come on, you can do it. Pump your legs. Come on. Why don't you try it? Are you done?
Actually, I need you to push me.
You don't actually need me to push you. You're just being lazy.
I don't want to be lazy.
See, well then try it yourself. You're almost 4. You're a big girl. We've taught you over and over how to pump your legs. You know how to do it.
I'm just getting ready.
You did it before, so I know you could do it.
No, I'm just getting ready for my swing action.
You're getting ready for what?
My swing action.
Your swing action? See, look at you. You can do it.
I don't like that truck.
Mommy don't like trucks going by.
I don't like trucks that way either.
No.
Because they're loud
Say,
noises.
say, Chloe! She's right behind you. Wave hi to the camera, Coco. Wave to the camera. Say hello.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.
Hi.
Say after all, crocodile.
Hi.